Hi artists! I want to show you my project using recycled materials to create your own viewfinder. I've always wanted a way to simplify my subject matter into pleasing compositions and a tool for seeing nature in easy value tones, but the ones online were expensive. So I began with cardstock from one of my failed drawings, an acetate face shield, and a bunch of other materials that you can see there. Using a sticky note, pro tip, the standard ones are 3x3. I cut a 2" by 3" shape and traced it on my cardstock twice. Then I cut out each window. 2x3 is a great ratio for compositions when you use canvases that are 8x12 or 12x18 and so on. I also want to create windows in a 1.5 by 2" aspect ratio because I also commonly use canvases that are 9x12 and 12x16, 18x24. So after cutting my 4 windows out, I trimmed off the straps from the face visor and it peeled off the protective film. Then I placed the visor on the back side of my 4 windows and cut a panel to size. Using regular white glue, I glued the acetate to the cardstock, careful not to smudge the glue. Remember those little sticky note windows? I made them because I hate math. I folded each one into thirds and marked in red where each fold occurred. It's really important that the folds are even. Then I laid each note under the acetate and using a fine black Sharpie and a ruler, I traced the lines onto the window. Then I grabbed my red Sharpie and I completely colored in the second window in both sizes. That eliminated the colors in what you were looking at, so it allows the artist to see just the value shifts in light and dark. I finished my viewfinder by adding little notes along my edges to help me while I'm on my plein air adventures. You can really see how useful the composition tool is for simplifying complex landscapes and how the red window, placed over a largely green naturescape, really helps the artist identify the darks and the lights. I hope that you enjoy this project, and I can't wait to see what you create.